Morning, Florida. 3:18 in the morning, going off to the airport. Yeah, 3. They're open at night?
No, I don't know. They're just leaving the... Seems like it's taking them forever to open.
Yeah.
Probably waiting for their licenses.
Might be.
And you have the... I've got my
Ganyan siya bago paalis.
toothbrush, mouthwash, and toothpaste, and I got my... What else do I have? Oh, my medical supplies.
Ganyan din siya.
Is that too much wind?
No. Okay. Anong pimples ko? Sakit. Mas meron pa. Ay, ang hirap pag binabahayan ka ng mga
This is
volcano.
about the time I would leave to go to work at the airport.
This kind of time.
Yeah. My hours were 4 to 12.
Sarasota Airport. Dito na kami sa airport, Sarasota. Kunin ko na yung bag ko. Damn. Okay. I have here. May dala na akong unan. Tapos yung bag. Nakaraan bag lang. Naantok pa ako. Wala akong tulog eh. 2 hours lang ang tulog ko. 2 hours, 3 hours. Kasama katulog kagabi. Tapos yung gising 3 o'clock. Our flying together again with Allegiant Airline. So, sa labas yun siya. Wala siyang daanan. Hagdan lang. Ang tahimik, tingnan niya. Sobrang tahimik pero ang dami ng kotse. Diyan kaya punta lang building na yan. Doon kapag ka mga airlines na maramihan. Dito na kami. Sarado pa guys. Wala pang tao. Ayun o. Diyan yung entrance. Yung mag-check ng gamit. Sarado pa. Ang lane. Kakabukas lang. It just got open eh. Mata ko namamugto, antok pa. Here in our gates, A5 here.
Yeah.
Oh, andito na yung airplane. Might be. Mamaya pa magbubukas yung gate kasi yung flight namin 6. So, time right now is 4:25 in the morning. That's my update. Good morning. Board time 6:01 a.m. So on time. Pasok na tayo.
Should land about 20.
Dito na kami sa plane.
To Huawei. Once again, thank you for flying with us.
Claim. Nakalapag na kami ng airport sa Fort Wayne here. Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yan, patunay yan ha. Dito ako. Fort Wayne.
I see the Fort Wayne International.
Yeah.
First time in Indiana now, huh?
Yeah. Wait, so to check-in muna kami bago kami kain. Ito na yung Indiana, guys. I don't know what I'm expected because the word Indiana means a lot of people Indian. Sorry, I'm in America. Might be white and black. Malamig dito, buti na lang maaraw. Malalaman mo yung lugar kung nag-i-snow kasi yung puno nila. Katulad ng mga lugar na nag-i-snow din. Tapos namamatay lahat ng mga puno, wala pang buhay. Ganun kapag yung lugar nag-i-snow. Yan na. Diba, yun ang mga patay pa rin.
$39 degrees.
Yeah. It's a little bit cold, but since it's sunny, it helped. Not really bad cold. Sakit.
There's a pizza place. Is it open? Doesn't look like it. It's like an old building.
House is their own building. Here, Travelodge.
You staying in here?
Yeah. Kami, ang sakit naman ito. Mamaya ka sa akin. Shh. Mag-check-in muna kami bago kami kakain. Ay. Yan yung door. Pasok mo dito yung bathroom. Saan yung ilaw? Here.
Where did the paperwork go for the car?
It's in my bag.
Okay, you did.
Yeah. Not bad. Tulad lang sa kabila. Luma na yung itsura ng room. Okay na rin. Malaki yung bed. Like it. Diretso agad. Walang room to. TV. Under the TV may mga cabinet. And then, meron naman dito microwave and small ref. Yeah. I hope this one is good. Yeah, look better. Then coffee. And meron ditong shade. Yung bed, may kasama ng sofa. So, ito yung background namin sa labas. Hotel din yata yan na. I hope. For sure. Diba? So, yan yan. Beautiful.
Should I get over in the right lane, you think?
Yeah, that's right lane. Not for now. We have 3 stop more.
I know, but now we gotta get around this truck.
Yeah.
That's where I want to turn.
Turn right, then turn right.
There.
Right here. Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let me just pull in here.
Coliseum. Diyan yung game
Let me see
bukas.
where you can see the ticket center. Looks like
Dalaw muna kami dito. Their ticket office.
Are you gonna stay in the truck or car?
You've arrived.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be right back. You want me to leave it running?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Ang laki ng Coliseum nila dito.
Oh shit, I turned it off. I'm sorry. I'll be right back.
Beautiful flower. Meron pang solar panel. We're here in the store. Half store and then half restaurant. Ang cute ng mga damit dito sa baby. Sa labas may ganito ng laro. Pwede ka umupo. Cute mga damit ng baby. Summertime. Mga play toys. Then chocolates way. Then you can chichen and cookie. Then here, look at the mug. Ang cute ng mga mug nila. What would Dolly? Look at the candy. Parang maubos may ngipin natin dyan. Mura lang, $1 to $3. Yun lang, hanggang $3. 99 cents. This is for all chocolate candies. We're waiting until 12. Patikot muna tayo. No, 11 pala. 11 o'clock kasi. Lunch time yung ibibigay. For now. Oh, that was cool. Ang cute. Mushroom. I like this. Mushroom big. Di ba? Half store din, half restaurant. Di pa ako papasok sa restaurant kasi hindi pa dyan. I like this eyeglass. I like this one. Paa ginamit eh. Kasi my hand is full. Look at, ang cute ng chair na to. All thanks to David. All magnets. Indiana.
Yeah.
Oh, ganyan kalaki yung Indiana. Maliit lang. Look at the bunny.
Easter.
Yeah. Your friend bunny. Ang cute. Look at the eyeglass, ah. Oh, there's some here. 19. Wow, $9. Restaurant Cracker Barrel. Look at that. Katulad sa bahay ni Jenny sa atin na room. May ganyan sila. Makaluma na. O, tingnan mo yung kaldero na malaki. May kawali pa lang. It's yung flag. Have chicken. It's our breakfast and then lunch na. Isahan na lang. Ito sa akin to. Tsaka fried talong. Ay, okra pala to. Sarap. Nga pa yun. Ano lang.
Actually, frozen custard.
Tapos nakamain yung mga person. Punta kami ng 7-Eleven? Ay, $3 pala. I never go to 7-Eleven here.
You're not missing much.
I don't know what's the difference of 7-Eleven
There's
Philippines and 7-Eleven here.
Not much.
But we have a lot of food there, like very low price, and then there's rice together with ulam.
Not here.
But maybe more on burger in your 7-Eleven.
Half the time they don't even have the food because people are too lazy to keep it up. Or it's been hot dogs rolling on a roller for all day.
That's usually hot dogs.
Nobody wants to do their job.
So, punta kami ng $3. Bibili muna kami tubig. Busog na ang mga person. May take out pa ako. Ayun na. Diba?
I gotta find my toothpaste. I haven't found it yet.
Really?
Like, hopefully it's in the bag with all my...
Just in your bag. You just... Oh, a big truck. Once upon a child. Once upon a time, it's a Valentine. Kiss muna bago chuba-chuba. Tama ba yung sinasabi ko? Nakita ko lang. It reminds me the song. We go into Dollar Tree, at the end of the doon yung Dollar Tree. Kapag wala doon yung gusto ko, punta kami ng Walmart. Walmart na yan dyan. So, magkakalapit lang. Karin lang namin. Malamig siya, honestly. Ilalamig ako. Mahangin. Where are you? Okay. Hintayin ko muna yung josawa ko. Ayun, no? Sa kotse pa. And $3. $3 dito sa Indiana. Malaki yung $3 nila dito. To look, where's the water? Nothing. There's no any water. $3 nila dito. Ang dami ng laman. Oh, there you go. That's a water. That's flavored water.
You like that or no?
That's a drink, but just a water. Maybe like this, a small one. Because we just drink only
What about
every
that
time we
one?
go
Down
home.
there, it's a little bigger.
Oh, this one? Yeah, here. The game, or going to the game. We have to stay here for 3 days.
3 weeks.
3 days. Today, next day, another day. Dito tubig.
$1.25?
Yeah. Here, chocolates. Here, Reese. I like Reese.
Want some?
Yeah, I like Reese. This is my favorite chocolate, Reese. Because I don't like almond.
These are growing up. Tubers and snow caps. Very good.
Only two.
How many you get?
Only two.
2?
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, go. We gonna pay us to bay no wala payment. Diamond balloons. The balloon.
It's here.
Yeah. We're back.
Back in the saddle again.
Ay, kagigising ko lang. I'm talking on the phone. Mga 5 hours yung tulog ko. So, hapon na. Ano na, 5:17 na ng hapon dito sa Indiana. Check natin yung labas. Ang ganda. Puro sakyan man yan dito, highway. And, puro highway. Sakyan. Hindi ko alam. Ito, ano ito lagay ng basura. Pag ganyan. Ayan, basurahan. Labas kami, kakain kami for dinner. Or in travel lodge with them. Lamig. Super malamig man. Ay, walang snow pero nabibil ko ng parang mala New York. Mas malamig pa to kaysa Illinois.
Got it.
Yeah, it's already connected. Sweet dinner here in Hall. Egg. Wala ko sa ano eh, kumain ng marami. Kasama pa yung bread. Pagpakarami ng pinigay. Sa kanila konti yan, sa kanila. Ito ko na yung dinner namin.